Now the wood feeder in the upper left is a woodpecker who went to the back side now. That on the ground is the eastern towhee, who's now gone behind the tree. There it is, coming out. His beautiful black back with orange on the sides and a white belly. Just stunning. And then the usual doves. And the black-eyed juncos. Now we have a daddy cardinal. We have one there. Another daddy in the tree. There's a male and a female cardinal on the back side of the rock. Another male cardinal, two more in this tree. And here we can see a little bit of that woodpecker on the log feeder. That's a downy woodpecker.